Hi, today I quickly give some imbalances areas of Nifty futures, Nifty 23,000 call and Nifty 22,900 put option. Okay, so in the put option, the lower area support lies at 123, 127. After that, 141, 144. If it trades above this level with volumes, and this data is very crucial. It is not an invitation to trade or a financial advice. It is purely for academic purpose only. And if it trades above 140, 144 with good volumes and support of max delta, etc., it may the first resistance will be around 165, 170, and after that 185, 190, and 251, 246, the top range resistance. And these resistance have to be crossed and closed above with volumes, then only we can buy. Then next one is Nifty futures. And Nifty futures, the basic support at 22,950, 948. And it has to trade above with volumes 22,970. Then the next resistance will be, crucial resistance will be 23,025. And above that 23,053 and 44. Then 23,107 and 102 level will act as a top resistance. And next one, 23,000 call option. And in the 23,000 call option, the support lies at 130 level. And above that, the crucial resistance will be 144 and 140. Then the next level of resistance is 180. After that, 190 and 214. And the top resistance will be around 240 to 249. And the next one. And yesterday also, this Nifty futures has traded. See here. Oh. Okay, that's out for the day. And study these imbalances, imbalances very well. And I will come up with new updates and all. Thank you very much.